Yes. So let's break down a trade that I just closed right now, and for 3%. I took it this trade this morning. So let's break it down by using the Falcon FX strategy. And if you guys don't have those strategy, like if you guys need it, you can message me on the Telegram. Well, the first one is the Falcon mechanics, the 4 hour, the reward models. I have all those things, right? And the latest one, which is the most important, the hybrid trading, right? So if you guys don't have it, if you guys want it, you guys message me on this on Telegram, right? So let's begin the trade breakdown that I do. So first thing first, let's look from the higher time frame. As you can see, we have been going to the downside, impulse correction, impulse. And let's move to the 4 hour time frame. Let's remove these lines so that you can clearly see those things. So in the last week, we have break through this point, right? So, and we are trading in this sort of range between these two, this range, right? So this is why I took this trade, because in this kind of range it is the most safest, it is the most lower in risk, right? And also the fact that we just broke through this point impulsively, and then we wait for the correction candle. As we can see, guys, you can't even see the structure on the 1 hour time frame. So that's why the hybrid trading method is very important, because if you can't see the structure on the 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see those structure in the 15-minute time frame, right? So that's why I took this trade right there. As you can see, the main value points miss gap, fill up the gap. And also just look at how the price approach to that value point, right? One, two, three, right? Three leg. And also we can see here, one, two, three, last leg also has three legs. And we got the perfect rejection candle. This one I took it right after this one, and stop loss was about around there. So it was around there. Yes, I closed this trade right now for 3%. That's how you trade this trade. That's how you trade hybrid method. And it can, all right, it can definitely go to the downside, that's for sure. But the way the way I'm seeing this thing is that it can also evolve something like this, right? So, and also I have already got the 3%. So I just want to get out the trades, like, done.